Hey guys, Gary G back again. Thank you for coming back to another Stay Slick video. I got you guys out in the field today. I had some people saying that they wanted to see me do some work out in the field, so I just did a maintenance wash on the inside and out on this 7 Series BMW. I see these people weekly, but today what I want to talk about is the M0312 Mini Polisher kit from Maxshine. I'm really excited about this kit. I've used it for last 2 weeks or so on the last couple ceramic coatings I did. I used it for all the intricate work, but today what I want to show you is there's a bunch of little spots around this vehicle that I want to take care of for the customer, like little black transfer spots on the paint. So I'm going to take care of that for the customer just to show them a little thank you. Also, I'm going to take you inside to work on some of the trim. The trim is a faux wood, but it's the same exact process for like piano black trim. And if you don't know what piano black trim is, it is the little black shiny trim that you see on the inside of the dashes that if you breathe on it, it scratches. This kit is awesome. Here you see you have all kinds of pads, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, ranges from dense to soft foam, microfiber, wool pads. I mean, you have everything. You got a rotary extension right in there. You got your different offsets here. I believe that this one is like a 3mm offset. The one I have on here is a 12mm offset for the dual action mode. You could also do rotary as well. 2 12-volt batteries and a charger. Okay, so like I said, I got this 1.5 inch polisher. We are going to be using 3D1. Try to start off slow here, so I don't want to fling this around on the inside of the vehicle. I'm going to turn the set to about halfway, maybe a little higher. Go ahead and wipe this off. Let's go ahead and get all this polish off here and see how we did. All right, so here we go. Now we have the rotary extension, and I have a 1.5 inch pad on here. Like I said before, I'm gonna hit it with a rotary so I can get a little bit better grip and bite on this faux wood trim here. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and wipe off all the polish. See our results. I gotta tell you, I really enjoy this polisher. I don't know if you can see that, but that is like literal perfection. Just crazy gloss. This thing did an excellent job. Another thing I want to point out about this thing is it has a trigger lock. I love that. This is the only mini polisher I've seen that has a trigger lock. Pull the trigger, lock it. Amazing. When you pull the trigger, it'll give you your battery life, which I really like. That's a nice touch too. And here's your dial on the top here so you can change between all the speeds. This thing has plenty of power. So you can see this is an excellent little tool for you to do all these specialty little items. Another thing you can do is you can work on the outside. Now on this particular vehicle here, there is a handful of little scratches and little things that I could do to show you what it could do on the outside. So I'm gonna try to find 1 or 2 little areas just to show you what it's like on the exterior. For this, I'm gonna use that 12mm offset, and I'm also gonna use the 2 inch backing plate. So there's a little scratch here on the side of the vehicle I'm gonna show you here. I'm actually gonna use my polisher one-handed to film this, but just to show you that it's actually pretty easy to do that with the way that it's balanced. So here's the scratch that we're talking about. It's more like a transfer really, but again, I'm using my 2 inch pad, just a regular old yellow foam pad that came with it. It's all messed up from being in the packaging, but got a little bit of 3D1. Go about half speed here. And let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. gone. So that thing is gone, not a problem. That was just one-handed. Another thing I want to point out is if I turn this on and lock the trigger, I can actually hold it by the head and get a lot more control while I'm doing scratch removal, which I really enjoy. Another spot I want to point out, a bunch of stuff right here by the headlight. So again, on, trigger locked, one-handed. Handled. I love this little thing. This thing is just so awesome. I love it for these tight little spots here. I could do these little things for my customer just to tell them thank you, just to, you know, show appreciation for them being loyal. Just take care of these little transfers for them. All right, so I'm all done doing all these little spots on this car here. Like I said, I just want to take care of it to show appreciation to the customer. And this little tool is the absolute perfect little polisher to do it. I mean, it's handheld. It's got good battery life. I'm probably gonna get about 30 minutes of battery out of each one. I'd have to look at the actual time that it takes to charge it, but I believe it's a little longer than 30 minutes. But this is just for spot work. Usually it's for around trunks, it's around the hood, it's around the grill, it's around things like that. So that's really what you're using it for. So overall, I'm really impressed with this little kit. Like I said, you get a bunch of different pads, wool, microfiber, foam. You get extensions for your rotary. You get an 1.5-inch backing plate, 2-inch backing plate. You get the unit, 12mm throw, 3mm throw, 2 batteries, and the charger in this nice carrying case here, all for 219 bucks. Now, I don't have a code with Maxshine. Maxshine, if you're watching this, I love your products. That would be great if I could get that. But a good friend of mine, Carlos, over at Serrano's Mobile does. It is Serrano's15 for 15% off. Go ahead and use this code right here. Give him a little bit of love, and then you guys get a little bit of love back too. Now, 15% off of 220 is, I'll put it right here. There you go. Save you guys some money. Go ahead and get this little polisher, man. This thing is awesome. I'm very happy with it. I ordered mine through Mirror Finish Polishes. That's my home detail store. That's the place that I like to order stuff, but you can go through their website, maxshine.com, and then you could use Serrano's 15 for that 15% off. All right, guys, thank you for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys coming out, checking out another Stay Slick video. Like I said, I am really digging this little kit, man. I'm telling you right now, this is great for detail work. It's great for just to be able to hold it with one hand and do these little spot corrections for your customers, to get into all these tight little intricate areas when you're doing ceramic coatings or just polishing. I think it's awesome. So anyways, that's my opinion on the M0312 Mini Polisher Kit from Maxshine. I am a huge fan of Maxshine. Like I said, Serrano's 15% off. Thank you guys for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys, all my Stay Slick fam. I'll see you guys on the next one, right? Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.